I think they're going to bang on the windows.
The windows are open. Windows open.
There's a... The window's open. Hello.
No, you idiot! You shouldn't have said that.
Hello. Get your leg over. I thought she was going to jump on you.
No! Oh my god, no way.
Zombies.
No. Oh my god, no.
God, the
way.
window's open.
Rich! They're getting on. No, oh my god! No! Oh shit!
Hello.
I'm not getting up, Rich.
Oh.
Oh my god.
No! Oh my god, he just took her head off.
God. No way.
Boom!
Oh! Can't we close the window?
No.
No.
More effective. Oh, they called me back.
No. Oh my god. No. 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 Oh. Oh my god. Oh no. No, no, Rich. Rich.
Oh my god, look at this one. Oh god.
Rich.
She's pretty.
Oh no. No.
Come on. Are you sure she was that good looking?
Nice eyes.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh my god. Close that door.
Look at this clown. No. Oh my god. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, I love this.
That face.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Oh, Rich. Oh. Oh my god.
Oh. Is that Becky?
wish I was sat outside.
Yeah, you wanted to be by the window. Yay!
Rocket!
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god, no way.
Are you really scared, Liz?
No! Yeah. Oh, there's a dog there.
A dog?
Dog.
Oh.
A real one.
Oh my god. Shoot, it's not a dead dog.
That's alive.
I hope it is.
Do you want to go
She's a screamer. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh my life, that's freaking. Oh my god. Jeez. No way.
She's got nice eyes, she has.
Hey?
Oh my god. No way. Jeez, that's freaking. Just creep your neck. Uh-oh.
Do we just draw attention or what?
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Hello.
Carol's not screaming at all. Is it just me?
Yeah.
Someone needs a love.
Oh god.
Oh, shit.
God.